morning children, with the warm welcome of Sheba Group of School online class. Today we are going to see English 2 revision. So all of you take your revision note children. All of you take your revision note children. Take 192 pages long ruled. While writing a revision you have to use the sharp and long pencil, don't use the short pencil, okay what children? As well doing a revision you have to spell and write, okay what children? Then only you get memorized. So நீ எழுதும்போது என்ன பண்ணிட்டே எழுதணும், சொல்லிட்டே எழுதணும், ஸ்பெல் பண்ணிட்டே எழுதணும், okay what children? Yes, now we are going to see the English 2 revision. So first Roman letter, rewrite the sentence by using capital letters and full stop. Rewrite this sentence by using capital letter and full stop. So என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் ஃபஸ்ட் லெட்டர் எஸ் கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர், எப்போவுமே ஃபஸ்ட் லெட்டர் நம்ம எதில் தான் எழுதணும், கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் எழுதணும். இட் இஸ் அ ப்ரொசீஜர் அண்ட் ஸோ இங்கே ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம அதை என்ன பண்ணி எழுதணும், கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதணும். தென் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் முடியும் போது நம்ம we have to keep the full stops and நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக full stop வைக்கணும். that is also one of the procedure. then only we have to start the other sentence. அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸை நம்ம வந்து full stop வச்சு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதையும் நம்ம பண்ண போகிறோம், ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ here you see she has many friends. she has many friends. here she, you notice she first letter is in a small letter isn't it? ஸோ அது ஃபஸ்ட் லெட்டர் எதில் இருக்குது, ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் இருக்குது. அதை நம்ம என்னவா சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறோம், கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ யூ see here she has, HAS has many, MANY many friends, FRIENDS friends. So we have to keep full stop. Don't forget to keep full stop, okay வா children? So ஒரு sentence complete ஆகும்போது கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம என்ன வைக்கணும், full stop வைக்கணும். First letter as a capital letter, only we have to write first letter as a capital letter. Don't use small letter. If they give small letter you have to change the capital letter. You have to change small letter into the capital letter, okay வா children? அவங்களே உனக்கு small letter கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் அதை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணணும், capital letterல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். Then second one, Sparrow is afraid of spiders. Sparrow is afraid of spider கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கே பாரு P நோட் பண்ணு, P இங்கே ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ we are going to convert it into the capital letter. PARO, Sparrow is afraid of spiders. SPIDERS, spiders. Then you have to keep full stop. Don't forget to keep full stop. ஸோ இங்கே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், பேரோ அதில் சின்ன ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் எழுதியிருக்கோம். தென் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகும்போது we have to keep the full stop. ஸோ இது எல்லாமே ப்ரொசீஜர் நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். தென் தேர்ட் ஒன், Anir is a naughty boy. ஸோ here they give the small letter, we have to write capital letter. Anir is a naughty boy. You have to keep full stop, okay what children? So here she has many friends. So first letter yes, we have to change it into the capital letter. Then we have to keep full stop while ending the sentence. Then here Sparrow is afraid of spiders. Here first letter we have to change it into the capital letter. Then while finishing your sentence means we have to keep the full stop. Then Anir is a naughty boy. Here O we have to put first letter as a capital letter. Then while ending the sentence means we have to keep the full stop, okay what children? Then we move to the second Roman letter, write the opposites. So write the opposites. What is mean by opposites? As opposites means எதிர்ச்சொல் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லையா, எதிர்ச்சொல். So here first one, day and night. Day opposite is night, NIGHT, night. DAY, day opposite is night, NIGHT, night. Day and night. Then second one, be happy opposite is sad, SAD, sad. Happy and sad, HAPPY, happy and sad, SAD, sad. Happy opposite is sad, SAD, sad. Happy and sad. Then C, black, BLACK, black opposite is white, WHITE, white. Black opposite is white. Then D, fast, FAST, fast opposite is slow, SLOW, slow. Fast opposite is slow. Then E, strong, STRONG, strong opposite is weak, WEAK, weak. Strong opposite is weak. Then F, hot, HOT, hot opposite is cold, COLD, cold. Hot opposite is cold. So once again we recall the opposites. First one day, day and night, NIGHT night. B happy and sad, SAD sad. C black, black and white, WHITE white. D fast and slow, SLOW slow. E strong and weak, WEAK weak. F hot, hot and cold, COLD cold. Okay va children? So next third Roman letter, fill in the blanks with and or but. Filling the blanks with and or but. So நம்ம இந்த fill in the blanks and அப்படி இல்லைனா but அப்படிங்கிறத யூஸ் பண்ணி fill பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகேவா children? So here you see first one, bring your notebooks dash pencils. Bring your notebooks dash pencils. இதுக்கு அர்த்தம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, மீனிங் என்ன அப்படின்னா, bring your notebooks, உன்னோட நோட்புக்ஸையும் எடுத்துகிட்டு வா, பென்சில்ஸையும் எடுத்துகிட்டு வா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ here the answer is and, AND and. So now you spell, now you read, bring your notebooks and pencils. Bring your notebooks and pencils. உன்னோட நோட்புக்ஸையும் and பென்சில்ஸையும் எடுத்துகிட்டு வா அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Then second one, Rajveer dropped the plate dash it did not break. Rajveer dropped the plate dash it did not break. So what answer children? But, BUT, but. BUT but. So Rajveer என்ன பண்ணிட்டான், பிளேட்டை கீழே போட்டுட்டான், பட் அது என்ன ஆகலை, பிரேக் ஆகலை, உடையில. ஸோ here the answer is but, BUT but. Then third one, Peter dash Charu like to dance. Peter dash Charu like to dance. Here the answer is and, AND and. Peter and Charu like to dance. Peter and Charu like to dance. So fourth one, I love apples dash grapes. I love apples dash grapes. So here the answer is and, AND and. I love apples and grapes. எனக்கு ஆப்பிள்ஸும் பிடிக்கும் and grapesum பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ பீட்டர் அண்ட் சாரு லைக் டு டான்ஸ். பீட்டரும் சாருக்கும் ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே என்ன பிடிக்கும், டான்ஸ் ஆடுறது பிடிக்கும். தட் இஸ் அ மீனிங். தென் ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், ஆயிஷா இஸ் ஷார்ட் dash as sister Rimi is tall. So here the answer is but, BUT but. So Aisha ஷார்ட்டா இருப்பா, பட் அவளோட சிஸ்டர் எப்படி இருப்பா, டாலா இருப்பா. So the answer is but, BUT but. Okay. Then here, I want to eat a dosa dash some vadas. I want to eat a dosa dash some vadas. எனக்கு தோசை சாப்பிடணும் and some vadasum சாப்பிடணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. So here the answer is and, AND and. So I want to eat a dosa and some vadas. So once again we recall this. Third Roman letter, first one, bring your notebooks and pencils, AND and. Then second one, Rajveer dropped the plate but it did not break, but, BUT but. Then third one, Peter and Charu like to dance and, AND and. Fourth one, I love apples and grapes and, AND and. Then fifth one, Aisha is short but her sister Rimi is tall, but, BUT but. Then sixth one, I want to eat a dosa and some vadas and, AND and. Here fourth Roman letter, add ing to this doing words. So we are going to add ing. இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க கொஸ்டினில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், ஆன்சரில் எழுதும் போது we are going to add ing. ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன், நம்ம ing ஆட் பண்ணி எழுத போகிறோம். So here first word or work, WORK work. So now we are going to add ing and write WORK work, ing working. So here I added ing, WORK ing working. Then second one, play. Now we are going to add playing, PLAYING, playing. Now we added the ing. Then here see, we are going to add ing, seeing, SEEING, seeing. Then fourth one, brush. We are going to add ing, brushing, BRUSHING, brushing. Then fifth one, watching. Now we are going to add ing, watching, WATCHING, watching. Then sixth one, cook. We are going to add ing, cooking, COOKING, cooking. So working, W-O-R-K-I-N-G, working, playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, seeing, S-E-E-I-N-G, seeing, brushing, B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, brushing, watching, W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching, cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Okay, what children? Next, fifth Roman letter, filling the blanks to show who owns. Filling the blanks to show who owns. So here first one, I dash mother is an engineer. So now we are going to put my. My is the answer. So M-Y, my mother is an engineer. My mother is an engineer. Then second one, where are dash you books. Where are dash you books. So now we are going to write the answer as your. Y-O-U-R, your. So where are your books? Where are your books? Then third one, she dash favorite color is red. She dash favorite color is red. So now we are going to change her. H-E-R, her. Her favorite color is red. Her favorite color is red. Then fourth one, the dog has finished dash it food. The dog has finished dash it food. So now we are going to change its. I-T-S, its. The dog has finished its food. The dog has finished its food. Then fifth one, we dash car is yellow in color. We dash car is yellow in color. We dash car is yellow in color. So our. Here the answer is our. O-U-R, our. Our car is yellow in color. Our car is yellow in color. Then sixth one, they dash father is a teacher. They dash father is a teacher. So the answer is their. T-H-E-I-R, their father is a teacher. So once again we recall the filling the blanks. First one, my mother is an engineer. Where are your books? Third one, her favorite color is red. Fourth one, the dog has finished its food. Fifth one, our car is yellow in color. Sixth one, their father is a teacher. Okay, what children? As well, finishing your revision means you have to get the parent sign. Don't forget to get the parent sign, children. I hope you are all doing your revision properly. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.